All right, guys, so if you've been following along, I picked up the car in Seattle. Check out the video, the previous video of us going out, flying out for a day, driving the car back 7 hours, and the car was wrapped red vinyl. So here's basically, if you watch that video, you'll see the removal of the vinyl, and now we are finally completely back to black and picking up the car. So check out the video, like, subscribe. That stuff helps our channel a ton. Appreciate you guys watching and tuning in as we go through some of this stuff. And hopefully this will be a pretty fun project as it unfolds. So enjoy the video. Let me know what you think about the car before and after the red wrap versus what it is now with the black. And yeah, check it out.
I love it.
Night and day, huh?
Night and day.
Let's see. Looking fresh. So much better. All right, so we got the Porsche back. Don't mind my hair, it's like windy out here, freezing. And so the red wrap is gone. I think it looks so much better. I'll do a little walk around and a little video of it, but I don't know, what do you guys think? With all this stuff I want to put on the car, I'm contemplating, I don't know, maybe selling it and buying one that has all the stuff already done to it, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet. So we'll kind of see what happens. I'm going to take it in just to make sure everything is looking good and running good on it this week, and just kind of do a thorough inspect on it. But for the most part, it looks pretty sick, and she's sharp. What do you guys think? Seen people do LS1 swaps on these, all sorts of weird stuff. LS1, the turbos, TP was a TPC turbo kit, and yeah, not quite sure what I want to do yet, but it's pretty sick. Sexy little car, super fun, sporty, as long as it doesn't have any engine issues or motor issues, I'll be happy. So let me know what you guys think, and you know, glad we got through the wrap taking off. That was a long process for the shop. Sticker status in Boise, killer work, good job. And I'll kind of go over the car a little bit, I guess. So we got the Rohana Flow Forged wheels. They're 19s, and got the Ventus Evo 2s on there. Had those on the BMW as well. Got the cool Porsche Brembo brakes. I believe they're Brembo from OEM, but branded with the Porsche. And yeah, everything's in super good shape. The body came out like actually really good, considering how much work it was to get that vinyl off. They did an exceptional job putting the vinyl on, and so having it taken off, it's kind of fun to see what the car really has underneath. There's a couple blemishes. There's one right here, not too bad, but such a good looking car. And just the beginning, really. If I end up keeping this, we'll have a lot of things I want to put on it. Got some scrapes under here, nothing too drastic. The interior is super sharp. Door panels are clean. Interior's super crisp and all black. Seats are comfy. Power, the sports kernel package. And let's see, there was a little blemish there. The wing, I'm gonna get it painted and put back on so it'll look better with the wing. And then the last thing on it that was imperfection was this little dent here too. So not too bad overall. The roof is clean, body's clean, black looks so good. So yeah, time to enjoy the car a little bit. do a little engine noise here, see how she sounds. So nice and strong. The shift is super crisp. I've got the numeric short shift kit on here, so that helps. The shift's going nice and clean and sounds just insane even with the stock exhaust on her. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Should I keep her? Should I sell her? Should we put parts on it? What do you guys think? Who's a good engine builder that you know? Or I don't know, if I don't even know which route to go. Just do bolt-ons or get the motor sent out, or sell it and buy something that's already got a turbo kit on it, or I don't even know. You tell me what you think. And yeah, next time maybe we'll have the wing on it and see how she looks all put together. So the car is just super fun to drive, really is a blast. And yeah, just go back and forth with what to do with it. You know, I want a project, but I don't want to also have just a ridiculous money pit, which I know it's kind of counterintuitive with cars, but coilovers, exhaust, headers are kind of like the starting spot that I'd like to put on here because they sound so good with all that stuff on there. Crazy world. All right, catch up with you guys next YouTube, and yeah, subscribe definitely, and please hit like, as that helps the algorithm on YouTube. So hit the like button, put alerts on, whatever you guys like. If you like this stuff, let me know. That's awesome. And see you guys on the next clip. See ya. All right, so it's been a day now. I've just been pretty much ADD about the car. So back and forth, like, should I sell it? Should I keep it? I'm worried about the IMS issue. I'm worried about the light and flywheel making noises, worried about the throwout bearing potentially being the cause of the issue. And what it sounds like is I basically just really need to take it to the shop and vet out what the problems could or may be, or if there are any. So before I make any rash decisions, because I get real excited real quick and then all of a sudden I go and I'll flip the car, sell it, or go and get something else. But chances are with the wrap off now, I could probably make a profit on it potentially. So I got a decent deal on it, I guess, and it's really clean, it's low miles for the year, and it's in really good condition through and through. So assuming the engine and mechanical aspects are all in good condition, I think would be a great route to go. So let's check it out a little bit more as go into day 2, and tomorrow I take it into the shop. Alright, so some things I really like about it and the way that it is now is I do love the wheels. They're Flow Forge Rohana 19-inch wheels. I think they just look really good. They're sharp, they're not too silver, not too flat or matte, and they just look, I think they look real classy, like high-end wheels, I guess. And let's see, I love the way the front of the car looks. Just those headlights are unmatched with any of the other cars out there. The car could probably get a little bit of paint rehabilitation work done. Try and bring it back a little bit better, but for now, I just absolutely love the black. It looks so sharp. Got the clear LED side markers on it. Tires, I actually really like the Hankook's Ventus line. Ventus, what is it, the S3s, I believe these ones are, like I mentioned. What are they? Evo 2s. Sorry, got them mixed up with the Moto wheels tires. Interior wise, the car is just super cozy. The seats are good. Got the power adjustable seats, but I may do bucket seats eventually and a bolt-in 4-point roll bar. We'll see how that goes. The dash is cool. Steering wheel looks a little dated. I did order Alcantara steering wheel cover for cheap on eBay. They look good on the forums, so we'll see how it looks before I put too much money into changing out the wheel altogether. The back plate for the center or the dash console, I think I just want to paint it black so it doesn't stand out. Silver looks a little dated and I just don't like it personally. Sound system is sick in the car. The Bose sound system is great, even though the car's, what is it, 2006, almost, geez, 14 years old. Pretty wild. Another thing I really like about the car are these rear fenders. These things are sweet, just that nice bubble butt. And yeah, she needs suspension bad. I don't know about you guys. I've never seen almost 4 or 5 fingers width gap on the rear fender well, and similar up front. So I don't know why I'm out of breath. Just had my first coffee of the day. It's kicking in, so getting that caffeine kick. And then the rear wing, so the car, look at this. I mean, obviously can't turn it sideways on YouTube, but the body lines on this are just so good. Timeless, in my opinion. And once I get the GT style wing back, it'll be paint match black, and it'll sit right up on here. And then you can see where the emblem, the Cayman S emblem was. I'd like to get one back on there, just because I like sporting the S badge. It's pretty sick. And I mean, that's really about it. I don't really know what else. I think they have like the GT style scoops on here that I could put on there, and we'll see.